The Logitech G413 SE mechanical gaming keyboard aims to deliver performance without breaking the bank. Let's dive into whether it hits the mark. The first thing you'll notice is the solid build. The brushed aluminum top case gives it a premium feel, minimizing flex and providing a sturdy base for intense gaming sessions. Logitech opted for PBT keycaps, known for their durability and resistance to wear and shine. This is a huge plus, especially at this price point. While the white LED backlighting is static, it's clean and bright, offering decent visibility in various lighting conditions. The G413 SE features tactile mechanical switches. These provide a noticeable bump upon actuation, offering satisfying feedback for gaming and typing. While they aren't as nuanced as some higher-end switches, they offer a responsive and consistent experience. The keyboard boasts 6-key rollover anti-ghosting, ensuring your commands register accurately even during complex key combinations. Function keys provide quick access to media controls, volume adjustment, and other essential functions, adding a layer of convenience. One potential drawback is the lack of customizable RGB lighting. If you're looking for a vibrant, personalized light show, this keyboard might not be for you. Also, the fixed cable could be a minor inconvenience for some setups. Overall, the Logitech G413 SE offers a compelling package for budget-conscious gamers. The combination of durable PBT keycaps, tactile mechanical switches, and a robust build makes it a strong contender in its price range. While it lacks some premium features, it delivers the core essentials for a satisfying gaming experience. If you're looking for a no-frills, reliable mechanical keyboard without emptying your wallet, the G413 SE is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.